is the water level. What should be your eye level to understand the correct reading of the water? To find the correct volume of the water, I cannot have diagonal positions. I cannot look like this or I cannot look like this. I have to look straight to the water level. When I am looking straight to the water level, I have to take the lowest water level in this case, and that is due to a concept which is known as parallax. I am just introducing the term for now, but the higher details we would go as we proceed with higher classes. Now when you are putting water or when you are putting mercury, there could be two different substances based on the density. The shape would differ. If this is the shape that is formed, we call these as concave and convex shapes. Again, for your higher optics lectures, when we would be talking light, we would be introducing about the shape, the concave and the convex. But this is the basic idea. If the shape is depression, okay, we would take the lower edge of it. If it is in a it's in a form of a small mountain or a hill, I take the uppermost layer. Okay, so how do you read it? If the water surface is like this, you would take the lower point. If the surface of the liquid is like this, you would take the upper point. So mercury is a substance which would form a structure like this. Water is a substance that would have a structure like this. Clear? So in this case, when you have, usually we take water. So here it is clearly given water. If not given, we assume it's a normal liquid. And in that case, R would be the right level, not the Q, not from the top. We won't read at this position because there would be higher errors. We would read at a lower position, right? So R would be the answer in this case. The next is, we have to select which of them is a physical change and a chemical change. Physical change, I take a paper, I tear it. There is no chemical reaction going in. But if I burn a paper, there is oxygen reaction going in it. So tearing of a paper is a physical change. Breaking of a glass is again a physical change. Burning of a paper is a chemical change. Cooking, I am again using the energy, so chemical change. Rusting, again chemical change because water reacts with iron. So again a chemical change. Melting of butter is a physical change. Burning of wood is a chemical change. Formation of ice from water is a physical change. So you have to identify physical and chemical. So D becomes the correct option in this case. I hope this makes the question clear here. Coming on next, we have given a chart here. You have to explain the man-made fibers and natural fibers from plants and from animals. So from plants, cotton, jute. So cotton and wool cannot be the option for P. Wool is animal based. Linen and